In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data out of Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save copies of your customers, vendors, and transactions, like invoices and bills, so you can analyze them, share them with your accountant, or keep backups outside Zoho Books. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard and look to the left pane. This is where all your modules live. Click on the data type you want to export. For example, choose customers if you need your client list, vendors if you're pulling supplier details, or go to invoices or bills if you're exporting transactions. Once you click a module, you'll land on its list view, a table of records with filters and columns. That's the right place to be. At the top right of this list view, find the three dots icon. This is the Overflow or More menu. If your browser window is narrow, expand it slightly so the icon appears. If you still don't see it, make sure you have the necessary permissions in your Zoho Books role, since exports can be restricted by admins. Click the three dots and then click Export. This opens the Export Settings panel. Here, you'll choose exactly what goes into your file. Use the status filter to narrow down records. For instance, you might export only active customers or only paid, unpaid, or draft invoices depending on what you need. If you see a template option, that controls the layout and columns included in the file. Pick the template that best fits your reporting requirements. Next, select the file format. CSV is great for spreadsheets and most analytics tools. XLSX works well with Excel, and PDF is perfect for a ready-to-share document. Some accounts also let you adjust things like date formats or number formats, so choose the settings that match your region and how you plan to use the data. Once your preferences are set, click Export. Zoho Books will prepare your file and start the download. For most lists, this only takes a few moments. Larger datasets might take a bit longer, and you may receive the file via your browser download manager. Look for it in your Downloads folder, and consider renaming it with a clear date or description so it's easy to find later. And there you go, your data is exported. Repeat the same process for any other lists you need, using the left pane to switch between modules. That's all you need to confidently export data from Zoho Books anytime.